let's express our ideas more creatively with Microsoft Word to create stunning but simple documents. So, I'm using Microsoft Word on a Mac, but Microsoft Word can be accessed from almost anywhere, a PC, and any device that's using the internet by going to office.com. But for this lecture, we're going to be using the desktop app. So, let's open it up. So, we have many templates that are right here. You can click on more templates to give us exactly what we want. Let's do a catalog to show you just what iHelp has in store. So, first we can change the text just by double-clicking right where we want to. And this is too big for me, so let's make it normal text. So, let's do it. Perfect. Okay, so we can add photos in Microsoft Word, or delete photos. A template in Microsoft Word is already filled in, but it's pretty simple to just delete. Let's make it personal. So, drawing. If you have a stylus, or you can just use your mouse, you can do annotations to think about things that should be better. You can even add some fun pens to make some cool designs. And to erase that, first you need to click the eraser. Perfect. So, let's add a pen or a highlighter to highlight exactly what we need to do better. So I would like to change this iHelp title. Maybe I can make it orange. Let's make it orange. Perfect. No, I think silver is better for iHelp. You can always change it later in Microsoft Word. So, that's what we need to work on. Let's change this. Oh, here's an error that could happen in other Microsoft applications. Your cursor is still just a highlighter. So, to fix that, we're just going to need to go back into text mode. So now, we're not, just by clicking on the draw button, you're not in any mode. So, we can just go back home and delete the highlight. So, how do we change this color? So, here's a challenge. I want you to locate the color button. So pause this video right now and locate the color button. Okay, I'm assuming that went well for you. The color button is right here. So we can just click the side arrow to choose exactly the color we want. So let's use silver. Looks nice on iHelp. Oh, it's not silver? Ah, this is how we do it. Here's a challenge for you. We do a lot of challenges in iHelp lectures. I want you to change the color of iHelp text. This is pretty hard, so just, if you don't get it, no problem. So, assuming that went well, or if it didn't, great, now you're learning. We're going to need to double click on iHelp. It's selected now. Now let's change the text again. Just click on the same one. Now, the text has changed. That's amazing. Now you guys are becoming pros at Microsoft Word, but there's still more to learn. Let's change the font. So, there's 3 types of regular font. So, you can do bold, italic, so it's kind of slanted, and underline, just to make your point more clear. Then you can revert it by doing that too. So, let's change the font. There are so many of them you can download from the web. I like American Typewriter the best. So let's find American Typewriter right here. And automatically the font changes. Amazing, right? So I'm writing a long paper for school, and the teacher is talking, and it's just so confusing. What am I supposed to do? Well, dictation is here to help. So, you're going to need to let Microsoft Word access the microphone. So, it will play a sound for you. This is so cool! And in Microsoft Word, you'll see the text coming up. Make sure to speak super clearly so Microsoft Word will understand you. And make sure you have your Microsoft headphones plugged in. Not Microsoft headphones, any headphones. See, I made a mistake there, so let's delete that. This is how we'll delete it. Just highlight the part that we don't want, not Microsoft headphones. You can just delete that, press the delete key, and your headphones / mic, both of them, you just need a microphone. So maybe your laptop has a built-in one. If your desktop doesn't, they have them on many different online sites. You can buy them in a store. Great places to buy them. So, this is Microsoft Word. Oh, we're not done yet. We still have more. This search bar is really helpful to find exactly what you want. In Microsoft Excel, which we'll be going over in later, you can insert tables. But let's just do a quick one right here. 3D models. You can do stock 3D models. Pretty cool in a text thing. So we can do animated for education. A dinosaur? What? This is so cool. So we'll take some time to insert it. We'll see where it puts it. But it'll have a walking dinosaur that just comes around, right? Let's cancel. Oh, it's actually almost done. So let's see what the dinosaur looks like. It's just walking around. Dinosaur's just walking around. This is so cool. So there's also review. So you can do spelling and grammar. This so doesn't like that much. So let's open up spelling and grammar. So let's fix it. So it gives you recommendations. So let's click change. Spelling and grammar check is done. Amazing, right? So there's also a thesaurus, dictionary, anything that you want. You can share it with your others. I'm using a work/school account for this, so I can share it directly. And you can do layout, so you can see your text is exactly how you want it. So let's do landscape, just so we can get more space. Perfect. We can make the size bigger. U.S. legal, that's really big. A3, super duper big, and many more templates, just exactly what you want. The page breaks, you can make it bigger in between the pages. Still have our little dinosaur. He's getting angry at us. What about increasing documents? So, this is how we're going to use this controller. To move this thing around, because I don't like it right here, just get to this icon, multi-arrows, and adjust it to exactly where we want. This dinosaur, it's like a baby dinosaur. We want it to grow up. So, we're just going to drag at the corners. Now it's much bigger. Right? So, there's so many more features in Microsoft Word that we can't just do in this one lecture. But I want you to go out there, mess around with Microsoft Word, and figure out how many amazing documents you can create.